Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Stock number is A5845C. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dual tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. You can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Cherokee on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.